Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your Ryobi 2900 PSI 2.5 gallon per minute pressure washer, and this can be done with any pressure washer guys. So to drain the oil guys, I'll be using my fluid extractor pump, as these pressure washers, they do not come with a oil drain plug. So to drain the oil guys, you can drain it either side of your pressure washer guys, as you will have two fill ports. So whichever one is easier accessible for you guys, you can drain it there. So on the right side of this pressure washer guys will probably be easier for me to drain the oil. So this is how you use your fluid extractor pump. Then we can use this piece as our extension. Now we'll just remove the dipstick fill cap guys, as not both sides have the measuring dipstick guys. So now we'll just push our tube down into the port, and then we'll pump the oil out guys. So now that we got it as far as possible guys, we'll just start to suck the old oil out. So I highly recommend getting one of these tools guys, as it definitely makes the job much easier, both removing the old oil and refilling. So now we can just pump the old oil out back guys into our drain pan, and then we will repeat this process until we get all the old oil out guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And we do still have some oil in there guys, so just make sure not to rush the process. So I'll catch y'all when I get all the old oil out guys. So to ensure that I do get all the old oil out guys, I'm going to prop up the left side of the pressure washer so that everything will come down to this side guys, and will make sucking the leftover oil out. So now we got that done, we can suck the remaining oil out guys. And I must admit, I do love this tool guys, and you can get them on AutoZone for around 10 bucks guys. I believe that's what I paid for this one, if not probably a bit less, but So look like we got all the old oil out, guys. So now we can just go ahead and get our fresh oil, and we will definitely use this tool to refill, guys. Okay guys, so I'll be using some 10W30 oil, and as I said, I'll be using my fluid extraction pump, guys, to refill the engine. And I did actually pay $7 for this 200 cubic centimeter pump, guys, and if you want a bigger pump, they're around $12 to $13 on Amazon. So let's go ahead and extract some of the new oil and start to get it into our engine, guys. And this engine, guys, takes about 3/4 of a quart, or about 800 cc's, guys, cubic centimeters. But we'll definitely just fill and measure as we go. So this is the easiest way, guys, and the quickest way to change the oil on any pressure washer, guys, not only the Ryobi model, but any model pressure washer, guys. So we'll just repeat that step and check as we go. So now, guys, I would recommend to go ahead and just check your dipstick just to make sure we're not overfilling the engine. So when you're checking, you just want to drop the dipstick and not screw it in, and then you can check again, guys. So if you're seeing, we're still definitely a bit low. So we'll do the 800 cc's, guys, as recommended. Worst case scenario, we'll just extract whatever excess fluid that goes in. So I'm starting to see the oil basically ready to come out, guys, on the other side. So let us just check the level, and it does look like we are at the full mark, guys. So as you can see, it's basically right here unscrewed, but if we do screw it in, we will definitely be at the filled mark. So I would say that is it, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And please feel free to comment or ask any questions. Yes guys, so that is definitely filled. So we'll just get our other tail cap installed, and that is it guys. And this should be done at least every 50 hours on your pressure washer guys, but you can determine how often you want to do that. So if you can see guys, the oil is basically right there at the port. So that is how you change the oil guys, the easiest way. God bless. I see y'all on the next one guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.